Are you looking for the perfect oil sprayer to cook with precision and without excess fat, but don't want to invest in a model that's ineffective or difficult to use? You're in the right place. In this video, we will explore the best options available on the market together. Right now, you will find the links to the products we will discuss in the description below, so you can easily check them out. Whether it's for seasoning your dishes, greasing a pan, or preparing grilled foods, it's essential to choose an oil sprayer that offers fine and even misting while being easy to refill and clean. We have tested and compared several models to present you with the top 3 in terms of practicality, durability, and value for money. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more kitchen accessory tips. Here are the 3 best oil sprayers, from the most affordable to the highest end model. First, the Nikkier oil sprayer is an ideal ally for healthier and more controlled cooking. With its stainless steel and glass body, it combines durability and elegance while offering a comfortable grip. Its 100 ml, 3.4 ounces, reservoir allows for optimal oil management, perfect for cooking enthusiasts who want to better control their fat intake. Its spray mechanism ensures a fine and even mist, ideal for salads, grilling, and air fryer cooking. Practical and easy to clean, its simple design and transparent body allow you to monitor the remaining oil level. This model is also versatile, as it can be used with different types of oil, as well as vinegar or lemon juice. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily into any kitchen and is convenient to carry. By reducing oil consumption while ensuring even distribution, this sprayer offers an excellent balance between control, economy, and flavor enhancement. Next, the CZDIDEXI oil sprayer boasts a large 200 ml, 6.7 ounces, capacity for extended use without frequent refills. This BPA-free certified model is designed to release a fine and even mist, ensuring balanced oil distribution on food and cookware. Its innovative suction valve system allows you to use every last drop of oil, preventing waste. Manufactured according to European and American standards, it guarantees optimal food safety. It is also multifunctional, suitable for use with olive oil, vinegar, or lemon juice for diverse and flavorful cooking. Ideal for seasoning salads, preparing grilled meats, or lightly oiling a pan, this model combines convenience and efficiency. Its ergonomic design and transparent body make it easy to use daily, making it an essential tool for those looking to control their oil intake while preserving the taste and texture of their food. Finally, the TrendPlain oil sprayer stands out with its 2-in-1 design, combining both spraying and pouring functions. With a generous 470 ml, 16 ounces, capacity, it is ideal for extended use without frequent refills. Its thick glass construction and BPA-free material ensure impeccable food safety and high resistance to impact. The wide spout facilitates easy refilling without the risk of spills, making it simple and efficient to use. Thanks to its precise spray mechanism, it provides optimal control over oil quantity, promoting healthier eating habits. Its advanced nozzle system ensures even dispersion, coating food without excess fat. Additionally, its ergonomic handle guarantees a comfortable grip and effortless use. Reusable and easy to maintain, this model is perfect for clean and controlled cooking. It is an excellent choice for those looking for a versatile and high-performing oil sprayer that adapts to various culinary needs. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.